Hello guys, we're going to put an SSD drive in this Dell Latitude computer. And I will show you how you can do it. You have to unscrew 4 bolts, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then you can slide this that way. And then we can see the memory, the hard disk drive and the CPU. Unscrew these 4 bolts.
But first, take out battery.
Then you can just pull here, upside. You can take the hard disk drive out. You can lay the old hard disk and the new one in the same position. And then we have to unscrew 4 bolts. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we can mount a bracket on the SSD. This was also just slide in. And now we can put the hard disk, the SSD back in. First behind, like that. And then the front, the connection. Put your fingers here and push here. And then we can turn the 4 bolts back in. So the new hard disk drive, the SSD, is mounted in. And now we can put this piece back on. Just lay like that and push it. And then the 4 bolts back in. First the connection here, and then push. I have made a Windows Media Creation DVD from Windows 10, so we can insert it now. You can put it also on a USB drive. but for older computers it's most easy to do it on a DVD drive. One. So now we're going to choose for touch. We're in touch in Belgium. Belgian point, that's correct, for our AZERTY keyboard. Now we can use the product key of the computer, the Dell. It's behind the battery, so we have to take out the battery now. So the power is plugged in, so we can turn the battery, close the computer and put the battery out. Now we can see here is a code to fill in. I will take a picture and give it in. If you want, you can make two partitions, a C and a D drive, but I will only make one. If you want to make two, you choose here for 120,000 two passen, and then you have the C drive and here a D drive with a other 120,000 or 100,000 megabytes, and then you have to format them, and you have a C and D drive working and ready for install and for use. So this little space is for the system, and this part we are going to use as a C drive. Format, and after that it's ready for Windows installation. So now we can do next, and Windows is installing fully. Then we can choose Belgium. We are in Belgium, so that's correct. Yes. About this point. Then we can give in our Wi-Fi code. We choose here for personal use, not in a factory or an organization. Choose for an offline account. So that's how we do it, guys. Installing the new SSD and installing Windows 10 Pro for free. If there is a Windows 7 original on the computer. That's how we do it. If you want to update to the latest new status, you click here, and choose for security and bijwerken. You can click here, search for updates. You can see Windows is activated with a digital license. That's how you do it, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.